welcome to my YouTube channel, Hairstyle Cutting Fashion. How are you, friends? I hope all of you find happy. May good fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity, dear friends. Today, my video topic is about most stylish, gorgeous, graceful haircut ideas with good and short bob haircutting hairstyles, ideas that make you look awesome. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kind of hair cutting ideas in our video. I hope you enjoy my video. This haircut, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hairstyles Cutting. So friend, I if you want to watch more ideas about hair cutting, then watch my other videos and get more ideas about haircut like short hair, curly hair styles, jaw length and medium haircut. I will try my best to show you all the cutting ideas in our videos. If you want to get more ideas, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel Hairstyling Cutting. Press the icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the latest video about hairstyle and haircuts and hairstyle. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. If you like this video, so please share with your friends, family, or other social media account. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. That's for watching, for subscribing, for your comments. I suggest to watch this video till at the end. You will find all kinds of hair cutting ideas in our videos. I hope you enjoy my video, this haircut. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Hairstyle Cutting. Please let us know now what topics you would like to see next in the comments below. Hairstyles Cutting, the ultimate destination for hairstyles, inspiration, empowering a woman, one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you're looking for the latest hairstyle trend, then this is the place to be. From short hairstyle to messy buns and everything in between, we got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect do for your next big event. Like and share our video, and you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thank you for watching our videos, for subscribing, and for your comments. Thank you guys.